If you're looking for a NordPass review in 2026 and wondering whether it's the best password manager right now, this video is for you. Because honestly, with so many online accounts, password security has become more important than ever. And if you're still using the same password everywhere or storing passwords in a notebook, you're taking a huge risk. So today, let's take a closer look at NordPass and see whether it's worth using in 2026. First, what is NordPass? NordPass is a password manager created by the team behind NordVPN. Its main purpose is to securely store your passwords so you don't have to remember dozens of different logins. Instead of memorizing every password, you only need to remember one master password, and NordPass handles the rest. One of the biggest advantages of NordPass is how easy it is to use. When you create a new account online, NordPass can generate a strong password automatically and save it for future use. The next time you visit that website, it can fill in your login details automatically, saving time and improving security. Another feature that users really like is cross-device synchronization. This means your passwords can be available on Windows, Mac, Android, iPhone, and web browsers. So whether you're using your phone, tablet, or computer, your passwords stay synchronized. Another important feature is password health monitoring. NordPass can help identify weak passwords, reused passwords, and potentially compromised credentials, which makes it easier to improve your overall online security. The platform also supports storing credit card information, secure notes, personal information, and other sensitive data inside an encrypted vault. Now let's talk about security, because that's the most important part of any password manager. NordPass uses strong encryption technology designed to protect your data. Even if someone gained access to the stored information, the encryption helps keep your passwords protected. The platform also supports multi-factor authentication, which adds another layer of security to your account. Now let's discuss the downsides, because no service is perfect. The free version is useful, but some advanced features require a premium subscription. And while NordPass is very user-friendly, some power users may prefer password managers with more advanced customization options. However, for most people, the simplicity is actually a benefit, especially if you're new to password managers. Now let's answer the big question. Is NordPass one of the best password managers in 2026? For many users, the answer is yes. It combines strong security, easy setup, automatic password generation, cross-device syncing, and a clean interface all in one package. That's why it continues to compete with other major password managers on the market. So to summarize, NordPass is an excellent choice if you want better password security, automatic password storage, secure password generation, and easy access across multiple devices. Because honestly, using a password manager is one of the simplest ways to improve your online security, and NordPass remains one of the strongest options available in 2026.